I started vlogging in 2003, before YouTube even existed. It is with heart wide open that I share with you my journey that has taken me from South Korea to now living off-grid in the middle of nowhere. So, good morning. It rained overnight, so it's wet. It should dry during the day. Look at this boy. Oh, he's really hot. His fur has been have you been tanning? So I'm gonna do some concrete footings today. Will I finish today? That I don't know, but whatever I will get done today. he is big boy. Oh, his hot spot. Nice. Looks like it's gonna be on and off, like these clouds. There's like rain to be coming down, but it's clearing up. Okay, so let's see what I'm dealing with around here. Okay, there's some puddles, so I'm gonna be having mud under my shoes. That looks alright. So I need to do one there, two here, two there. So there's 5 left. So no horse flies today, but the mud under my shoes. You see that? That's gonna get on my nerves. Yeah, it already has. So let's hope it dries quick. I got what I need to get started. So my first thing will be to mark. So I'm good here. Oh, the mud. That's the hard part today. You might hear me say that a few times. I don't know if this really makes a difference, the bag, but I put it so there's no like puddle. This is good there too. Okay, so I'm gonna do my measurement, and I measure everything always from the same one so it's consistent. Okay, these guys have to go. Hey! Psh, psh, psh. You can't be here. You're gonna mess up my strings. Go! Shoot! Shoot! Psh, psh, psh. Go! Psh, psh, psh. Okay, 4 more to go. I'm gonna do these 2 now, so I'm gonna have to do my marking first. All right, I don't know what time it is, but I got the double done. So I did 3 today. I've got 2 left. Probably tomorrow. I don't think I'm gonna do it today. All right, everybody. I'm going to do the last 2. I don't see why not. So I'm gonna need more cement, and then that's it. I'm ready to go. I don't know how long it's gonna take. I look all red. Anyway, but it'll be done, you know. You're finally done watching me make some footings. They're all done. So I got 5 done today. So that's good. I'm gonna let that dry. Let that be for a few days. And then I'm gonna come and try to level this a bit higher, closer to where the string is. That'll make the sides lower, and then I'll get the load. I'll get the guy to drop the load right here, and then with the excavator I'll move it around. But I think it'll be more than 1 load. Yeah, that's the thing. We need a dump trailer. Good morning, everyone. I'm just greeting Willow. So I slept in, but I don't know what I'm gonna do yet today. My knee is not happy. I need to give it rest for it to heal. I started using my laser. I'm gonna do many treatments throughout the day. I'm considering what I'm gonna do today. What I really want to do is like a concrete pad here over this, just as practice. I'd cover the whole culvert. So to do that, I need some prep work. Let's see if did this move. Oh yeah, look. That's the issue here, and I think that's what happened to this one. So I might have to, you see, it's still moving, this one. So I'm gonna dig there on that side and push it over that way. So I have some digging to do here. Okay, I just dug about 2 feet deep, halfway down, and then I put something between the ground and the thing, and I drove it in, and then it moved it until it was where I wanted it. So that's what had happened. It had moved. Yeah, that's all right. It's back in position. So I'm gonna give time for this to settle now. Like, there's no point in going here. Like, I have to the ground to settle where around the posts, and then I'll come and pack this up to about the level of the concrete pillars. While I'm doing this, I have to tell you, now I'm really clear on where Trump is at. Yeah, he might have done things that I like, but he's part of the problem. You just have to watch him say, "What? You still think about Epstein?" You know, like, fuck you, Trump. Like what? Like this is the type of behavior that people, for the most part, I think, are still completely unaware of when they are being gaslit. That was a gaslighting statement. You know, like, absolutely, no. It's like the movie Don't Look Up. That's exactly Don't Look Up. So I hope that helps people wake up that we've been having kings and queens. It never stopped. Yeah, we've been domesticated by our domesticators. I refuse. I want to stay wild. All right, let's get this done. I think I'm ready to pour. Wow, didn't take too long. I added some navy jack on the edges and some in the middle. I'm gonna wet all this before I start putting concrete in there. I think I have enough navy jack to fill that up, but I'm not gonna do that today. I'm gonna do that in the morning tomorrow, because doing that now, I don't know how long it's gonna take, and it's already late. I don't know what time it is, but nice BS. So I'm getting the stuff to do this, but I was working on this part here, and I would put the big concrete blocks around the line here, and then it follows this fence, and then I would raise this to be even with the foundation. It's just a few feet, but let's see. I've got work ahead of me now, thanks to the excavator. I haven't heard from the bus yet. I'm gonna give them some time to turn around and do the right thing. I'm definitely better at doing it. It took me less than 10 minutes. I just need to put the grease back in now. I'm gonna check the other side to make sure it's not too tight or not tight enough. Maybe they loosened up. You know, when they're new, after a while, I suspect they loosen. So maybe that's what happened. Good morning, everybody. Look at that. Yes. Oh, yes. Yes, I love you. Huh? Uh-huh. I was here for a few minutes petting Willow and the goats at the same time. It's so weird. They really get along, Willow and the goats. Anyway, so Okay, well today I'm gonna do my first concrete slab ever. So it's a good way to do a test before I attempt to do it somewhere else that really matters. So it's not like perfect, like I didn't level it or anything. I'm just gonna mix and fill. I'm gonna have a stick to I think it's Creed, calling Screed, and then I will do what I can with like a little pallet. Like I don't have a float, so I'm gonna try to float as far as I can, and then I'll see, you know, how, like the difference in at the end of the thing. So now the bottom is not like ideal either, and the metal I will lift it as I put cement in there, like I've seen on YouTube. So now before I can start this, I'm gonna try to find something that I can use to screed. Took a while to do the prep work because I got distracted with taking care of the pool. I needed to give it a scrub and add a lot of chlorine to kill the weed that was forming, but that should be good now. And I finished the prep work here. I lifted the grill, whatever, the mesh, and now I'm ready to make my concrete. I got my bags here, Navi jack, and I've already got some pre-mixed, just add water. So I'm gonna do, if I do, but it's 4-to-1 today, so I'm gonna do 5 buckets will be maximum, and that will work for each batch. So I'm gonna get started on making the first batch happen, mixing it first, but I'm just gonna add like water inside first. I'll try that on the second batch. This one will be easy.
just one batch. It's gonna take a lot of batches. So I'm gonna do like a length first, and then I'm gonna work my way back. Let's see. I just ran out of cement. This is what it looks like. I really need like a floater, and I'm short like one bag of cement more, and I could have done the whole thing in one shot. It's too bad. Anyway, I'll finish it next. Okay, now I'm going in. I'm gonna shower, and I'm gonna go see the pool. Oh yeah, and I'm feeling it. Because it was a race against time to do this. I didn't even like, the camera was right next to me, but I was like too focused on, because it was drying, I constantly had to wet the concrete. Look, I set up the GoPro right there to catch the hummingbirds. They'll come a bit later on for dinner. So let's take a look at this, and then we'll look at the pool as well. Okay, it's not bad at all. It's really overkill, but and then here I'm just gonna backfill here and on the other side, and then the culvert. Then Bob is your uncle. You know, the culvert is never gonna cave in. That one for sure. Oh, it's hot here. Oof. Look at that mullein. It's loving it here. Holy crap. So let's take a look at the water here. Oh, it's still blurry. But it smells chlorine, you know. This here looks all right. Oh, what's the temperature? Oh yeah, 83. 83, it's perfect. But I can't do it today. I'm gonna wait till it clears up. So I'm gonna let it filter away. No, look at that. It looks like a concrete pad. I'm gonna wet it. It rained a little bit yesterday. It's not flat, but I won't sweat about it.
Off this last year, so the prediction market finished here with a heavy.
All right,
and we can see it here.
I got it done. This doesn't go there.
Go through and find the right answer. So it browsed a lot of odd sites.
Much better, don't you think? Oh, let's see with light. So there's still some wires like this one. I haven't. I have to redo it. Yeah, but it takes 2 seconds. I've got this set up. I've got the new box done. I cleaned up the stuff. I added the fuse and I changed this is a 48 to 12 volt, which powers the 12 volt lights of the RV. And yeah, it's really good. Like that plug there is perfect. So, and I added another plug there. Before there was only just this one, now there's this one too. So, and then I removed, like there's nothing here. There was like a shelf there, but I took it off, and that will give more space to breathe. I can put a fan there too if I have to. Yeah, so it took me all day. All day, believe it or not. Yeah. Anyway, that's it. That was the weekend. I'll see you next week. GoPro, stop recording.